Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to go through the Chic box for April. If you are not familiar with Chic Beauty, this is a bi-monthly subscription, meaning you will get it every other month. So I got my box here for April. The last one I got was February. The next one we will get will be June. So this is something that you're going to get 5 to 6 full-size products of makeup every box. The boxes are fully customizable. You can choose from a selection of items or let Chic surprise you with the products. I've done both on this box. I'll go through and see if I can remember which things I picked and which things I let them pick. This is going to be $34.99 a box if you just sign up for the bi-monthly subscription. If you want to prepay for 6 months, that will be $94.99 and that'll be for 3 boxes. If you want to prepay for a year, that will be $189.99 and that'll be for 6 boxes. So remember, even though you're paying for so many months, you're only getting a box every other month. So let's look and see what we got in our Chic box this month. This is what we got. Everything that we got this month fits in this box. And it has a little card that tells us about the products in the box. So the first thing we got, and this is a Revlon liquid liner for our eyeliner, and this has a Exactify wheel tip. Ooh, I have no clue what that even is. But a Revlon liquid eyeliner. I am not going to even open this because I have like 3 or 4 other eyeliners and this will dry out if it gets opened. So I'm going to leave it all sealed up tight until I'm ready to use it, and then we'll give it a try. So Revlon, and this is a $9.99 value for this one, so almost $10 for this one. The next thing we have in here is NYX Bear With Me. There is a glare, but there you go, NYX. This is the NYX Bear With Me, and this is a oil brow setter, and this is a $10.99 value. So far we're up to a $21 value for this box, and the box is $35, so it looks like we're for sure going to get more than that just based on the values that I see. This is also sealed up tight, and I do not use brow setters, so I'm going to leave this sealed up and give it to somebody who does. But that is an NYX product that we got in this box. The next thing is Clarins Jolie Rouge Velvet, and this is a matte moisturizing long wearing lipstick. Whoops. And we will look and see what color that is. This is a $37 value. So there's your value of your box just for the one item. Ooh, that is a beautiful product. It's plastic, but I feel like that is plastic, but it's heavy like it's metal. It might actually be metal. But there's our color, and it's reflecting. It's got a red metal at the bottom, so it kind of makes it hard to see for sure the color, but we'll open it up. That is a really pretty color. It actually looks kind of like the coral on my shirt. And it is. It's kind of a pinky coral. It's really pretty. I love that color. Oh, even the inside of the tube is red. This is a really pretty container. So this is our clearance lipstick that we got, $37 value for that. Next thing we got is going to be, this is a Fenty Precision Blending Brush. So this is a $24 value, and I think it is just a brush. It comes in what looks like a lipstick bullet, and it says Fenty Beauty on the side. Oh, okay. It is just the brush. And I was like, well, that's going to be hard to close back up. But look, this part pulls up to keep it contained so you can put the lid back on it. And again, that's a $24 value for the brush. The last thing in our box is a palette. This is a Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. The outside has got the bright colors. I hope that means there's bright colors inside, but we'll find out. And this is a hard cardboard package. It does have a mirror. I'm gonna show you the mirror, but I'm not gonna reflect off all the stuff that's in the room. But this is the colors, and they are gorgeous. Those are great for summer. Can you just imagine how beautiful these are with a summer outfit with lots of bright colors and flowers and fun? This is, and you have the dark color if you want to smoke it out some, but beautiful, beautiful colors. You can definitely get full looks out of any of these, like doubles or even any 4 of these put together or any 2 of these put together would make a beautiful match. You have light colors, you have dark colors. There are a couple of shimmers in here, mostly matte. The darkest one is a matte, which I think it should be if it's for, it is black. We got well over $100 value in this box for our $35. We did get some great stuff. I really like it. Did you get your Chic box? What were your variations? What did you pick? What did you let them pick for you? Let me know. All right, that's our Chic Beauty box for April. We'll get another one in June. I can't wait to go through that one with you as well. For today, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit subscribe. I appreciate everybody who has already and is going to soon, I hope. Hit the like button, hit the notifications bell. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. Bye-bye.